What's up, guys? As you can see, it's a little windy out here. I apologize if you can't hear me very well. So we're here at the USS Alabama, and I showed up to do some drone footage, obviously, and everything was green lit. We had the ATC towers locked in. We knew everything we needed to do, except when we got here, they're like, oh, sorry, we're not giving you permission to fly, even though a gazillion other people have flown out here. What I was told inside is if you have plans to fly here, first you need to call at least a week in advance. Then there's paperwork you need to sign and turn back in to them before you show up and set up your date of flight or your scheduled flight time. Then you need to contact 3 different ATC towers in the area to let them know you're going to fly. This is random to me, guys, because it seems like people fly out here all the time, and the most they've ever had to do was contact 1 tower. Just one. So, for all of you thinking about flying at the USS Alabama, cool ship, would be nice to get some drone footage, drove all the way from Tampa, that's not going to happen now. Because someone maybe had a stick up their butt, I don't know. The lady inside was kind of cool, but then kind of wasn't, so this is things we run into as pilots. So if anybody's thinking about coming here and actually trying to fly the USS Alabama and you don't want to run into what I just ran into, I will try to give you all 3 contact numbers for the ATC towers in the area, and I'm going to give you their website as well as their number to contact them ahead of time so you can figure out what paperwork you guys need to do so you don't show up and get grounded like me. Alright? So here we are going out the front. We're going to make a right here. You guys can see that. We're going to cross the bridge. There's going to be a little dirt patch on the side of the road. No. Get outside the circle. If you guys check your air maps, there's a circle around this place. You need to get outside that circle. Then you're outside the memorial area. So here we are. There's Alabama. We're going to cross this bridge. And I'm thinking our area is about 4,000 feet away from the Alabama. Just so you guys are aware, the altitude restriction for this area is 100 AGL. 100 feet above ground level. That is it. No higher. There's the pier. It's actually where that truck is. Excellent. Ooh, quite a drop off. Mucky, muddy, muddy muck. Yeah. So there you go. We should be outside the memorial. And if you go out the front here, you will notice that the USS Alabama is way over there. Way over there. So we're outside the memorial now. Apparently I can take off and fly here, but I need to contact the ATC tower, so that's what we're gonna do. Here you go, guys. I took a screenshot of where we are. You can see that we are outside the Memorial Park area, and the only airport you have to answer to is Lower Delta requires an airport ATC notification for your flight. So if you are told no, that you can't fly by the Alabama, you are more than capable of flying from right here, but you have to contact the ATC tower for Lower Delta, and you have to fly at 100 feet AGL. So I'm going to contact the tower now and we'll get this thing kicked off. Contacted the seaplane airport around the area, and they said there's no current air traffic that we're aware of. Just make sure you're paying attention and you're not flying above 100 feet. So that's what we're going to do. Good to go. Green zone. We're green lit, people. I like it. I even took a screenshot just to show you guys. So I'm going to start up the 3DR solo. We're going to get it up there. We're going to head over that way. See you in a minute. that's how it's done. Apparently the car next to us wanted to smoke pot, even though they thought we couldn't tell. It smells like straight marijuana. Be mindful, pot smokers. It's pungent. Everyone knows. Everyone knows.